Hello, ma'am.
Hi, sir.
Uh, can you tell me about the hurdles and challenges students face from their school time in personality development and communication?
See, basically, in university itself, people are from different states.
Yeah.
They are just used to of their native language only. They're not
Okay.
used to of English language. So nowadays, English becomes a global language.
Yes.
Wherever they go, they just want to go with English only.
Yes.
If they want to crack any interview, they need to clear in English only. That's a basic issue which they are facing. Everyone.
I
is
also
facing.
think that in every multinational company, English is a must language. And if you want to appear in the first round of the interview itself, and from the very first day, it has been observed that you should be fluent in English.
Right.
Am I right?
Yes.
So, what more you would like to add in this?
See, basically, first of all, they need to understand what actual problem they are facing. Is
Yes.
it really a native issue only? Because sometimes they didn't get actual people for their languages only. If we talk about people are facing issues with sir and sure since their childhood only,
Yeah.
even though they are fluent in English, but they
Yes.
still have those kind of doubts because nobody corrected them in their childhood.
In their childhood only. So it all started like from their foundation level.
Exactly.
When they were in school at like, but don't you think that most of the people cannot afford like higher education in like private colleges or in like in school also in private school they cannot afford? So how we can make it possible for everybody? Like,
see, all again, it's not about private institute and private colleges or schools only. It's all about you. What you actually want to do. When you know that you want to do engineering in this and that college,
yes.
you're aspirant to get into IIMs and you're not working on yourself since childhood only. I feel like it will be your flaw only.
fault. Yeah, that's true.